Hey everybody, welcome to How to PC channel, and today I'll show you how to add your pet in the Petdesk app. So I'll show you how to do it very quickly and easily. And let's get started by opening Petdesk. Let's tap on it. And now to add your pet in Petdesk, just go to the Pets tab at the bottom, click on Pets right here. And here you can see the Add Pet button, so tap on it. And now you need to fill all these fields with your pet's information. So let's get started. And first you can add a photo of your pet. So click here and you can take a photo or pick from library. And after that, tap on the check mark at the top right. So here type your pet's name. After that, nickname. Now tap on species, and here in the drop-down menu, select bird, cat, dog. So in my case, I'm gonna select dog. And of course, you can also enter other parameters. But if you don't want to fill out everything, then you can just tap on Save Changes. And that's all, my pet showed up in the app. So here I can complete profile, do with my pet something. For example, I can remove pet or add another pet just by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. So guys, I think this video was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you, bye bye.